welcome to my channel. Now everybody loves a bargain, but sometimes what you thought was a good deal ends up just falling apart and being a waste of money. So today I thought I would review some gardening tools I got at the Dollar Tree and see if they're worth your money or not. For those of you not familiar with the Dollar Tree stores, they're what I like to call a true dollar store because basically everything in their stores costs $1, including the items that I am about to review. I'm going to show you what I got, and then I'm going to take them outside, give them a good test, and see how they do. So first we have a trowel, which all I could find on the information on what it's made out of is metal and wood. So, but I mean, it looks sturdy. We also have the transfer trowel, or the transplanter, and the cultivator, or hand rake. And finally, the gardening gloves, which they have different kinds, but now these I already washed because they're going to get dirty. I know that, so I wanted to make sure that they at least hold up in the wash. One thing I could say too is that they're a little, for me, now I'm tall, so my fingers are long, so they don't quite fit. They're a little tight, and they don't, I mean, it really should be coming back here. It says one size fits most. I don't know. So let's go take these outside and see how they do. Okay, and I'm back. So, I'll go over the gloves first. They have a rubber dot pattern on here that's supposed to be for grip. Didn't seem to do anything for grip for me, and actually it made it uncomfortable wearing that because you could feel it through the glove. Oh, I wanted to say too that I didn't put these in the dryer when I washed them. I air dried them, and I think that's important to note when I started to get a hole in the one finger. So I would not buy these. On to the hand tools. So first thing, something I didn't notice before. If you did want to use these for hanging on the wall, look, this one, the hole, this one's crooked. So you'd be hanging it on the wall like that instead of that, if you care. So I'd watch out for that if you did decide to buy these. One thing, I don't think the metal goes into the handle quite far enough, because You could kind of feel that it was kind of giving in the wood. This one probably held up the best out of all of them, and I did try and give them a good beating. This trowel, I don't know why, but it's like ergonomically strange. Like, it just felt weird using. I don't know why it's bent like that. I don't know. It did feel strange. Now, this is a little wider, obviously, than this. So this one, I could feel the metal seemed to bend a little bit more. And I was using them in clay soil with rocks and really trying to give them a good test. And I don't know that this would last very long. The trowel, the wood started to crack right here at the handle. And the, yeah, it is a little loose. The metal, where the metal connects to the handle, loose. Now on the transplant, it's really loose on this one. So, but that's not good. They're not going to last. And the foam was sliding around, so unless you were buying them maybe for, maybe if you have an older kid that you don't want to give them your good tools or something, I would say skip these. Now, these aren't the only things that I bought at the Dollar Tree. I also bought some other things that you might actually want to buy. So please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss those videos, and also other videos that I'm planning on doing, including container gardening, growing in small spaces, growing guides, money saving tips, and more. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.